Are you having a bad day mentally with your mental health? That's why you're on here scrolling? First off, you don't have a bad day, because if you have a bad day, you have to wait till the next day to have a better day. You have a bad moment. And don't worry, I know you had a lot of bad moments recently, but I'm gonna help you change the momentum. This is your brain, and your brain is giving you a lot of emotions and thoughts recently. The problem is that the brain doesn't understand that you don't like those emotions and thoughts. You don't like them because you are talking back to them and you're trying to fix them. Your brain actually doesn't know what you like or what you don't like. Your brain only knows what you engage with. So the more you engage with that anxiety, those intrusive thoughts, the brain is not like, oh, you're hating these things. The brain's like, you're playing with the toys I'm giving you. And then the brain is super excited. It's like, what? You're playing with the toys that I created for you? Let me give you more of the excessive anxiety, more of the depression, more of the thoughts that you actually hate, but you engage with them so much. So what did we learn, class? The brain doesn't speak our language. So we need to speak the brain's language to change our mental health and change that algorithm up here. Why did I say algorithm? Why did this gorgeous guy say it's an algorithm? Because your brain works exactly like the TikTok and Instagram algorithm. Whatever you give watch time to, if you give watch time to penguin videos, the algorithm, the videos, you get more penguin videos. The algorithm doesn't care if you don't like the penguin videos, you don't even like them, you don't even comment them, but you give them constant watch time. And you're like, why is this penguin video on my screen? Oh, look at them! They're doing things with crocodiles, riding on crocodiles and giraffes. Why are they there? You're giving it more watch time, and the algorithm learns they love it even though you hate it. It's the same with the brain. The intrusive thoughts, the uncomfortable feelings, you give them so much watch time. Even if you're trying to fix them and trying to get relief from them, you're doing behaviors around them. And these behaviors make your mental health worse. And they have a specific name in the mental health industry. And you want to remember it. It's called compulsions. Because we want to cut out compulsions. Because then we're going to change the algorithm and have a more beautiful screen time in life. But how are we going to cut out these compulsions? Because it's going to make our life so much better. Well, we don't actually do it by hyper-focusing on the compulsions, because that can also become an addiction. Oh, what compulsions do I have? I have to cut them out. And then your brain's like, oh, you love cutting out all the compulsions. Let me give you more of those things. What you actually want to do is, like the TikTok algorithm, we just switch our focus on a new video. We change the channels. But how do we change the channels? To change the channels, we need to use our superpower, which is our focus. Because with our focus, we're showing our brain what we care about, and our brain is going to support us in what we put our focus on. Star, what does that even mean practically? I'm going to explain it. We got two phones now. I got two phones. Let me just have a little bit of fun here. So we learned that the penguin, which represents the emotions and thoughts, that when we give the penguin watch time, spend time and energy on trying to fix them, the brain's like, oh, you love this? Let me give you more of that. So we actually don't want to play the game of life anymore on the playing field with the emotions and thoughts, because the brain always has more access to that. What we want to do is start bringing our focus on elephant videos, which represent the valued actions. Now, what are valued actions? Great question. Valued actions are actions that go in your unique direction of what are your values, what are your excitements, and what is your support. Example, Maybe you don't like your job so much right now. That's okay. It still supports you. So you want to still support yourself with the money that comes in from that job, but then over time shift more in the direction of your excitement of what you want to do. Maybe your excitement right now is you love playing soccer, you love playing video games, you love making videos. And then your values are the valued actions, how you want to treat yourself and how you want to treat others, lovingly, of course. Like Jesus said, the commandment, we love God and we love our neighbors. Now, really important for you, and listen, please listen, this is really important. For you to have a better mental health, we need to switch our measure of success from trying to get relief from emotions and thoughts to living our lives with valued actions. And that's a moment-to-moment game, and that will change this algorithm in your brain. Because the more you moment-to-moment watch these elephant videos, the more your brain's going to support you by giving you more ideas and inspiration for more elephant videos, which means giving you more support and inspiration to live your life, which means giving you, for example, more ideas for your business if you're growing your business as your excitement or support or your values. I'm getting out of breath because you don't know how much value I'm trying to squeeze into this 6-minute video now. That's why you should come to my workshop in Los Angeles on May 30th. And that was a shameless plug because you cannot put all this value and this transformation in a 6-minute video. But I'm giving you so much more gold now, because I'm not going to leave you here without giving you practical tools to use for changing your algorithm in the next 24 hours. We talked about momentum in the beginning of the video, and you have to understand that this word is so important because right now you already have a certain type of algorithm momentum going because you spend so much time on intrusive thoughts and uncomfortable emotions, anxiety, etc. Now, if you know social media and you know how to change your algorithm on your For You page, you know that if you want to switch to elephant videos, that doesn't happen overnight because the algorithm is like, hey, you've been watching penguin videos for years. Yeah, I'll give you a few elephant videos, but here's some more penguin videos. Here's some more because you've done this for years. And you have to be okay with that because this is part of the process, because your brain is not just going to stop giving you emotions and thoughts up here just because you start trying to change the momentum to the elephant. Your brain is going to test, hey, you've been doing this for years. You must still use this. So when those uncomfortable things come up, those thoughts and emotions, you don't make them the measure of success. What means you are not going to be like, oh, why are they still coming? And you keep checking on them. Am I doing something wrong with this practice? No, it's supposed to happen. Some people say, oh, but aren't we suppressing the emotions and thoughts if we just focus on the valued actions? No, we're accepting them. They're allowed to be there. But some people are going to be like, nah, that's still thought and emotion suppression. Let me just dunk on you real quick with an example, okay? Let's say I'm going to drive to the gym because that's where I want to go. And along the way, there are clouds in the sky. There's a lot of clouds in the sky. I'm not going to be like, oh, I have to focus on the clouds now. I have to practice accepting the clouds by focusing on them and sitting with them for me to accept the clouds. No, I just accept the clouds. I don't have to focus on them. I just drive to the gym. The clouds are allowed to be there. I'm okay with them. Trees are allowed to be there. I love trees, by the way, around me. That's okay. The same way, if you go forward with the valued actions, you don't have to hyper focus on your emotions and thoughts. You can just accept them. They're allowed to be there. I have only 55 seconds left to give you the practice for the next days. So here we go, and this is important. The penguin algorithm is created through reactivity because you reactively react to the emotions and thoughts, which creates more of them. The elephant algorithm is created through proactivity because you're showing your brain with the valued actions what you care about proactively. So tonight, you want to set valued actions proactively for tomorrow morning. So no matter what emotions and thoughts attacking you tomorrow, your measure of success is to do that valued actions while you spend time outside of your head. And you can use the no brain method out of my book. No brain, we're getting up right now. No brain, we're walking right now. No brain, we're on the chest press right now. When you say no brain, you're differentiating yourself from the pattern. All of this you can learn in my book, free Zoom event where I teach this on Tuesday, May 30th in Los Angeles, all in the link in my bio.